Hello into my factory again. I just finished this flaking. Looks good for first time. I forgot to say one thing. From this line to this line, I tried to set 3/4 of inch. It's around 19 millimeters, and because in the videos that I watched, there too was used this measure 3/4 of inch, and so here I done little bit better. Here little bit poor than here. I think after the lot of hours with work with this, I can make a perfect, but for one machine it's good enough right now. And then we have another side too. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.